For these questions, your first step is always distribution of charge. So here it is 50, here it is 10. If it is 50 and 10, what is the charge on the outer surface? 30, 30. How come? How come 30, 30? Plus Q by Q1 plus Q2 is 60, so half. So what is the charge on the inner surface? Plus 20 minus 20. So I am not concerned with this 30. I am only concerned with this 20 microcoulombs. That is the key. Right? The charge on the inner surface is 20. After that, you can find out everything. First thing, capacitance. For capacitance, you don't need this charge. You can simply write down epsilon naught A by D. So how much is this? 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 into area. 20 centimeter square by D. Am I right? Everybody? 2 millimeter is this and 20 centimeter square is this. So 3, 3, 2, 2, everything cancel. You are getting the answer as 8.85. 10 to the power minus 12. Pico. 11 is pico. 12 is pico only, no? So picofarad. Okay, so either into 10 to the power minus 12 farad or picofarad. Okay, next part. Next part of this question, we have to find out sigma. How to get sigma? It is simply depending on the inner charge, so Q by A. Everybody, this plate is having plus sigma here, this plate is having minus sigma here, and how to get sigma? Q by A. So it is going to be 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 20 into 10 to the power minus 4. That means it is 10 to the power minus 2 coulombs per meter square, or 0.01 coulombs per meter square. All right. All right. What about third part? We have to find out the field between the plates. So field between the plate is sigma by epsilon naught. Right? And once you get Q, automatically all the expressions will be same only. For case 1 and case 2, all the expressions will be same only. Only the sigma will be depending on inner. So once you get the inner charge, rest is all same. So sigma by epsilon naught, that means 10 to the power minus 2 by 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. If this is 10, it is 10 to the power minus 3, so it is going to be 10 to the power 9, 10 by 8.9, some 1 point or something, Newton per coulombs. Very, very strong field, 10 to the power 9th order. So you can consider that how strongly the capacitor will be built, that it is giving you so strong field inside. Okay? Very small in size, just 2 millimeter and 20 centimeter square. Still, it can produce so large field. All right. And what about potential difference? It is E into D. You can apply E into D also. You can apply Q by C also. Both way it will be giving you same thing. So E is this and D. So 1.1 into 10 to the power 9 into D, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. This comes in volts. So it is approximately 2.2 megavolts. 10 to the power 6 is megavolts. So how strong field and potential it is generating. Right? By Q by C also you can calculate, it will give you the same thing. Okay? Charge is 20, 20 by this will give you the same thing.